She is digging it. Digging life here in Mom's backyard. Of course, Mom has to fence in all her flowers because Mary Jane will eat them. I'm surprised that dandelions still exist. She eats them up quick. We don't put any pesticides on our yard, and we ask our neighbors not to either. And they pretty much listen, thank God. Look at my beauty. I tell you what, I love all animals and I love all my pets, but this girl is special to me. Oh, look at that face. Here she comes. Look at that face on my Mary Jane. I marry her. There goes the dandelion. I told y'all. Well, maybe not. And she's got a huge yard to go in. All that. But Mommy is sitting here, so